start with your name, and if you could just tell me your name, last name, and what happened.
My name's Edward. Last name's Fried. I was coming from the mall. I was coming down Palmdale in the bike lane. I looked behind me to make sure there was no one coming. I got to the other side of the crosswalk. My front tire was already in, and I heard the motorcycle downshift, and then he just tagged me. And I went kind of flying, and I couldn't get up at first, and he was screaming, and I was screaming, and I don't know, I'm a little bewildered, you know. I'm super grateful that I hit my head, or, you know, or I'm not dead, dude, really.
How old are you?
I'm 32.
32. And can you spell your last name?
It's F-R-I-D-D.
And first name is?
Edward.
Edward.
And I looked at it. You know, so I looked, there's no one there. All of a sudden, I get right here, and I hear him count you.
Hey, Daddy, he says some kind of crash car.
Motorcycle, bro. How do you crash into a bicycle that's halfway in the crosswalk? Halfway in the thing already. You know? You know, and I got... That's pretty damn bright. You know?
He was going up pretty fast.
He was, dude. Like, I don't know, I'm gonna say 40 at least, you know?